Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Have you ever had a dessert that made you weak in the knees? That is how I felt after eating Instant Pot chocolate lava cake. It will blow your mind. If you're looking for the most incredible dessert ever, you just found one. It is a tender cake with a silky smooth lava center. As you dip your spoon into the cake, you are welcomed by a chocolate lava that is going to make your entire week. After eating it, I don't have any words to express it. It was so delicious. If you love chocolate and you are looking for that standout dessert to make, you need to pick up supplies and then give it a try. With a few basic pantry ingredients and you can whip up this dessert in just 15 minutes. All you need is 5 minutes of your time. This dessert is so easy to make. You dump, mix and cook it in an Instant Pot. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box later. Let's get started. In a bowl, add chocolate chip and butter. Melt it in the microwave for a minute with 30 seconds interval. I have used dark chocolate. If you want, you can use semi-sweet also. Mix it thoroughly. The chocolate is smooth and silky now. Add powdered sugar and mix it until smooth. You can also use regular sugar. If you are using the regular sugar, use only half cup of it. Now it's smooth. Let's add 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Mix it until well combined. Try to beat it manually to avoid air pockets in your lava cake. This looks good. Now add vanilla essence and give it a quick mix. Now add all-purpose flour, mix it until well combined. If you don't eat all your cakes right away, just allow them to cool completely, then wrap up and toss it in the fridge or even freezer. Then warm them up in the microwave when ready to eat. The chocolate lava cake is best fresh out of the Instant Pot. Spray each ramekins with cooking spray. You can use Pyrex 6-ounce bowls in the pressure cooker or Instant Pot. 4 will fit in the 6-quart pot. You can use any bowls, just make sure that they are oven safe so they will hold up under pressure. Fill the ramekins 3/4 to avoid puffy at the top. Add 1 or 2 cups of water to the inner pot. I'm going to layer the ramekins. Place 1 trivet and keep 2 ramekins and then place the second one and keep another 2 ramekins. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Turn on pressure cook or manual and set the time for 9 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Once the pressure cook is done, do a quick release. Open the lid carefully. Use the mittens. Take the ramekins out. To avoid the broken lava cake, let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes before transferring it to plate. If you try to transfer it hot, it might stick in the bowl. Let's dig in. Wow, look at the perfect lava cake. It's so moist outside, the perfect lava inside. Try this lava cake at home. Impress your loved ones. Add your favorite toppings. I love mine with my homemade vanilla ice cream. Instant Pot lava cake is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.